Sawdust might seem insignificant, but it's a hidden gem in gardening, offering countless ways to boost plant growth and soil health. Its benefits extend far beyond common expectations, making it an indispensable tool for any gardener. Let's uncover three impactful uses of sawdust that can transform your garden and elevate its productivity. To begin with, sawdust is an exceptional mulch. Whether it's fruit trees or vegetables, spreading a layer around plants creates a protective shield with numerous advantages. Mulching with sawdust helps regulate soil temperature, keeping it cool in summer and warm in winter, which fosters healthier plant growth. It also acts as a barrier against weeds by blocking sunlight, saving time and effort on weeding. Additionally, it locks in moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering, a critical advantage during dry spells or when conserving water is a priority. Over time, as sawdust decomposes, it enriches the soil with organic matter, improving its structure and fertility. This simple step can significantly enhance the health and yield of your plants, from fruits to vegetables to ornamental species. Another remarkable application of sawdust lies in creating garden beds. This technique is particularly useful in regions with extreme weather conditions. Begin by growing a cover crop, such as mustard plants, to improve soil quality. These crops add nutrients and protect the soil. Without uprooting the cover crop entirely, you can level it down, then layer compost on top to provide essential nutrients. Finally, cover everything with a thick layer of sawdust. This top layer acts as a protective barrier, safeguarding the soil's microbial life, which is vital for breaking down organic material and nourishing plants. During winter, sawdust insulates the soil, preventing freezing and protecting roots, while in summer, it shields against heat, keeping the soil cool and moist. It also prevents erosion during heavy rains and reduces watering needs. As it naturally decomposes, the sawdust contributes organic matter, further enriching the soil. This approach ensures healthier, more resilient garden beds that withstand harsh climates while producing abundant yields. Sawdust is also a fantastic medium for cultivating mushrooms, particularly in polybags. Simply fill the bags with sterilized sawdust, add mushroom spawn, and seal them to create an ideal growth environment. The sawdust serves as a nutrient-rich base, allowing mushrooms to flourish. After harvesting, the remaining sawdust can be composted, continuing to benefit your garden. This method is efficient, sustainable, and ideal for growing mushrooms at home. Sawdust is an invaluable resource in gardening, offering benefits that extend far beyond its simplicity. Whether used as mulch, in garden beds, or for growing mushrooms, its potential to enhance soil health, conserve water, and improve plant growth is undeniable. So next time you have sawdust, put it to good use in your garden. Your plants and soil will thrive, and you'll reap the rewards of this sustainable resource. For more gardening tips, don't forget to check out my channel and stay updated with ways to create a flourishing garden.